Welcome to RestoredLifeAfter.com. This isn't just another website. This is a place for truth, for perspective, for real life. Right below, you'll find our restored weekly video. Always uplifting, always real, and always meant to help you through life. Just beneath that, you'll see a true story video from our restoration stories. These are real stories, real people. Stories that will move you and stay with you long after you've watched them. Next to it is our daily thoughts video. Short, powerful content designed to guide you, challenge you, and lift you through difficult moments. Just below that, we invite you to join us. Enter your email. No spam, no junk, just weekly content that actually means something, and a chance to win our monthly giveaway. Take your time exploring the site. Read through our growing library of true stories, from Elvis Presley to Jesus Christ. Stories of struggle, purpose, and restoration. Visit our Daily Thoughts page. Content designed to stop you, make you think, and sometimes hit you deeper than you expected. And don't forget to check out Restoration Apparel. Powerful messages, meaningful designs, and a style that represents something real. Thank you for being here. Check in daily, because no matter where you are in life, there's always a path forward. Restored Life After.